You're here because you've been arrested for 6 accounts theft from stores in the Swansea area. Okay. On Thursday the 16th of April at 7:35 hours, it's in the morning, you've entered One Stop Shop on Pentragethin Road. It is alleged that you've selected a display case approximately 3.5 foot in length, or tall, and you've left the store without making any attempt to pay. The total amount taken is approximately £90. Tuesday the 14th of April 2026 at 20:03 hours, you entered Tesco Express, Carmarthen Road, where it's alleged that you've selected £169.15 of items and you've left without making any attempt to pay. And the last one then, on Tuesday the 5th of May 2026 at 15:39 hours, you've entered the Co-op store on Walters Road, Swansea, and allegedly selected a pack of alcohol, leaving the store without payment. The value being £7. Are you responsible for this offence?